What's going on, Edge Traders? I hope you're having a fantastic day. And in this video, I'm going to show you quickly how you can fix this error here. So this is that 5% G7 account that I have running. And obviously last week, as I was running this account, there was never a point where it dropped to negative 66% equity, right? That didn't happen last week. In fact, if you're currently seeing this on your account and you click on custom analysis and have the start and end date exactly when you started in the current date. Like you can see right there, it corrects it, and this shows the real stats of exactly what happened. And this will give people a better view of exactly what your software has been doing and the potential of it as well. So this orangish equity line, it will disappear at the end of this, and it's just going to show going forward. So if you like the way it is and you want to see that equity line up until now, then you can just do what I just showed you by hitting that custom analysis and seeing a certain date range. But if you want that line to completely disappear up until now so that it's not showing that inaccurate data, then keep following this video and it's basically going to get rid of that line up until now. And then going forward, it's going to track that equity line. To correct that, just follow my steps here. So what you'll do is you'll go up to portfolio. Obviously, you got to sign into your account first, but then go to portfolio, go to add account. On that, perfect. And then go ahead and click on, so here's the 5% risk account I was just talking about. Go ahead and click on the X over here. We're going to basically close this MyFXBook account and then reopen it, and it should fix that error and be good going forward. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that X, just like that, and say yes, that I do want to delete this account. And you can see it disappeared. Okay, so now we want to add an account. So I'm going to click here on this Add Account button. And then select the platform, so MT4, auto update, account name, so I'll say test 5%, just like before. Select your broker here, so I personally use LQDFX, so I'll choose that. And then LQD Live, make sure you select the right server. Then just put the account number, so I'll go ahead and do that here. Okay, and then put your investor password here and then click on create account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and then just skip to the next step. All right, perfect. And then you can see that my account was added. I actually had the LQD live selected. So make sure you select if it's live or demo correctly there. So anyway, moving on to this. So if I say take me to my account, perfect. Then we'll go here. Great. Now you can see here that we have the account growth here. And as you can see here, the equity line has actually disappeared from this past data, which is what's going to happen. But it's better than having an inaccurate line, right? And going forward, this line is going to be correct and it's going to show this equity line. And if you know a way to possibly show that equity growth line, then that would be great. I'm just not exactly sure how to do it, or if your account has to be running on this for it to keep track of that. So if you do know that, then you should reach out to me and let me know. But anyway, so that's how you can fix that, the inaccurate equity line. And then obviously you can move on to verifying your account if you want to share this with others. I'll just very quickly go into that. If you already know how to do this, then you don't have to continue to watch this. But you come here and then you click on edit for this account. And then what you need to do here is, in fact, if I just click down here, you can go here and click on how the account must be fully verified, for example, to make this public. Just click on that. And then just follow the instructions here. I'm not going to go through it in this video, but just follow the instructions here on basically how to verify it in your MT4 platform there. And then that way everything's been verified and you can share this publicly. So anyway, I hope this video helped you out and hope you have a great week trading.